Hey guys, welcome back to my channel called How To. Today we will see how we can partition C drive into multiple drives on Windows 11. Okay, so I do have a newly uh, purchased laptop that is containing a single partition of almost 930 GB, wherein 778 GB is free and it's a C drive, right? So how we can make two different partition, or as per the requirement, how we can create multiple partitions. So let's check it out. Okay, so there is one command, a shortcut command you can use, is diskmgmt.msc, or what you can do is click on start and type computer management. Okay, click on here and click on disk management. So either two ways are there, to reach out over here, right? So once you are here, you need to partition this C drive, right? Click on C drive, right click over here, and then um, click on shrink volume. Right now it is asking us like how much of amount you want to shrink from this free space from this C drive, right? So basically I just wanted to make a drive, a D drive having a size of at least 300 GB. So what I'm gonna do is calci 300 GB into 1024. I'm like 300. So the size in MB, right? So we need to put the size in MB. So basically 300 into 1024 MB would be 300 GB would be equal to 307 200 MB, right? So this is the space I want here, 307 200. Okay, 307 200, it is equal to 307 200 MB is equal to 300 GB, and then shrink. Okay, so give some time. So see, there is one drive which is of 300 GB that is created, but it's unallocated, right? When you will click on my computer, you won't be seeing that newly created drive over here. What you need to do is right click over here and click on new simple volume. Next, assign the letter you want as per your wish. I'll go with D. Next, and format this drive using following so and so. Yes,